Friends, a warm welcome to all of you on my channel. Today's video I will discuss a Lebesgue integration of bounded functions. So properties of some functions, I will take the proof of these functions. So please make sure if you are new on my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon so you can get all the notifications from my channel. So now let's continue this properties of the proof. So the property first says that if f and g are two measurable functions, bounded and measurable functions, which is defined on the set E, the set E is with finite measure, so the finite set of finite measure, then the first condition is A integration over E, which is a finite set, so integration A into AF plus BG, where I have a two element A and F, and function F and G are two bounded measurable functions. So integration A to AF plus BG is equal to the A time integration F over E plus integration G over B over E. Okay, so B time integration E over G, right? So the second is if F is equal to G almost everywhere. Almost everywhere means a function is everywhere continuous except the subset of measures 0 set. So that means the almost everywhere. Then integration F on set E is equal to the integration G on E, right? The third condition is if F is less than or equal to the G almost everywhere, then integration F over E is less than or equal to the integration over E G. ठीक है, तो प्रॉपर्टीज़ को प्रूफ कर लेते हैं. फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी को प्रूफ है यहाँ पे. तो फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी कह रही है लेट साई1 साई2, दो हमने साई1 साई2 ये दो फंक्शन सिंपल फंक्शंस होंगे. सो टू फंक्शन सिंपल फंक्शंस हैं. देन ए इंटू साई1, यानी अगर आप दो एलिमेंट्स को यहाँ पे साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे ए साई1 प्लस बी साई2, तो ऑल्सो ये सिंपल फंक्शंस होंगे. ठीक है, ये सिंपल फंक्शंस हैं. बाउंडेड वेरिएशन की बात, बाउंडेड फंक्शन की बात कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे लेबेग इंटीग्रेशन में. तो ए टू बी अभी ले रहे हैं इंटीग्रेशन से, तो ए इंटू साई1 प्लस ए इंटू साई1 एंड बी इंटू साई2 is also simple function. And if I am taking the capital A, I am denoting here, so a sin1 plus b sin2 is less than or equal to the a times function f plus bg. Here I am taking the function f and g, where it is the function of bounded and measurable function, so that's set on the set E, which is finite measure. Now the set is less than or equal to this term. So if I am taking the function, this set a f plus bg, which is less than or equal to the integration, Lebesgue integration over E on a psi1 plus b psi2. Now if I am taking the infimum of this function, because if you are taking the Lebesgue integration on function of bounded variations on function of bounded, so you find that integration over a f plus bg is less than or equal to the infimum a psi1 is I am taking here psi1. Okay, so less than or equal, sorry, greater than or equal to into AF integration over E A psi1 plus infimum B psi2 greater or equal BG into integration E over B2 B psi2, right? So now if I am take the outside of A, so here I will take the outside of A, so A into infimum of psi1 into greater or equal F हो जाएगा, less than and integration E psi1 plus B into infimum of psi2 into psi2 is greater or equal than G, right? And integration E over psi2, right? Now it becomes the integration less than or equal to the a times integration f. This function will becomes here, and the psi1, so it will take the place of psi1. So here a function will becomes a into integration f plus b into integration of over g, right, over E. So this function will exist in this way. This now I am taking this condition, first condition. Similar manner, consider two functions psi1 and psi2, b phi1 and phi2. I am now taking, first I am taking the psi1 psi2, now I am taking b phi1 and b a phi1 and b phi2. So such that a phi1 is less than or equal to af and b phi2 is less than or equal to the bg function. So if I am taking add of those functions, so a phi1 plus b phi2 is less than or equal to this term, right, af plus bg. Now if I am taking the Lebesgue integration, so if I am taking the integration, then this term will be greater or equal जाएगा this term के. So integration a phi1 plus b a phi1 plus यहाँ पे होगा हमारा b phi2. Okay, so b phi2, and now I am taking the supremum of this function, where I am taking infimum, and now I am taking the supremum of the function. So because I have to take the equality property, so I am taking the less than or equal and greater or equal here. So if this is greater or equal, so supremum I am taking this. So a phi1 is less than or equal. Now this equality will change over here. So now it is less than af and integration over E af a phi1 and plus supremum a phi2 is less than or equal to the bg into integration E b phi2, right? So now taking the Now this condition will exist in this way, a into integration over e f plus b into integration over e g हो जाएगा. So f plus b g को कंसिडर कर लेंगे ग्रेटर और इक्वल a टाइम्स इंटीग्रेशन e प्लस b इंटू इंटीग्रेशन ओवर e g, राइट. तो ये हमारी सेकंड इक्वेशन हो जाएगी. कंबाइन कर लेंगे फर्स्ट और सेकंड इक्वेशंस को, तो हमारा ये इक्वेशन जो है ए एफ प्लस बी जी इज इक्वल टू द ए टाइम इंटीग्रेशन ओवर ई एफ प्लस बी टाइम इंटीग्रेशन ओवर ई जी बन जाएगा, राइट. सो इन दिस वे वी कैन प्रूव दिस थियरम. सो फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी आई विल प्रूव हियर, देन सेकंड प्रॉपर्टी आई एम गोइंग टू. Now here the second property is if EF and is equal to the G almost everywhere. So almost everywhere I told you that its function is everywhere continuous except the measure of subset of measure 0, right. So that's what we called almost everywhere, and F is equal to G almost everywhere, that is you can say F minus G is equal to the 0 almost everywhere also. So if psi is a simple function we know, so what we can do here, psi is greater or equal into f minus g, right. So psi is greater or equal f minus g, and if you take the integration function, so integration over e psi is also greater or equal 0, because psi जो है वो greater or equal 0 होगा almost everywhere. We know that because psi greater or equal f minus g, and f minus g is equal to 0. So if I put that 0, so almost everywhere. So if I am taking the integration also 0, and when I am taking the infimum of psi greater or equal psi minus g, integration over e psi over psi, so this is greater than or equal to 0. So now by definition of Lebesgue integration over set finite measure E, which is a set of finite measure, so let's take the Lebesgue integration. So integration over E f minus g, over here I am taking the f minus g function which I am replacing the psi function. So if I am taking the f minus g function which is also greater than or equal to 0, so this condition will I am taking as first condition. Now similarly I can prove this into the into the less than equality, where I am taking the greater equality. So now if psi is a simple function also, so psi is less than or equal f minus g. First when I am taking the psi is greater or equal f minus g, now I am taking the sign less than or equal to f minus g. So in the same way I will prove here for less than or equality, so psi less than or equal to 0, where f minus g is equal to 0 almost everywhere. So integration when I am taking the sign less than or equal to 0, so here I am taking supremum of the function, where I am taking in first I am taking infimum, then I am taking here a supremum of this. So it also exists for supremum as well. So psi is less than or equal to the f minus g integration over e, psi is less than or equal to the 0, right. Now hence you can see this integration f minus g is less than or equal to 0, right. So this is the second condition. Now I am taking the combining both equation 1 and 2, and then combine both equation integration f minus g is equal to 0. So integration f minus integration over g is equal to 0, right. So integration f is equal to g over e, you can see that this way we can prove that. Now this third condition I will prove in the next video. This video is going to be large, so I don't want to make it a large video. So yeah, so now this is the second condition. Yes, and if you understand, you can, if you have any query regarding this, you can please comment me. You feel free to comment me, I'll definitely reply. Yes, you please subscribe to my channel if you are new, and you can comment me anything that you want to share, and you please share with your friends. Thank you so much viewers, we will meet soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.